S2PAfrica intervenes to rethink the context of West African tertiary engineering training. We help students, first of all, to connect scientific theories in their engineering courses to the creation of products, processes, goods, and services, which we call PPGS. You'll be hearing us talk of PPGS when we say that we need products, processes, goods, and services needed by their people, and make product creation rather than theories their focus during their education. We also help students to see that tertiary engineering education is the empowerment to make a difference in PPGS beginning in their local environment. And thirdly, we help students to address known knowledge gaps in design training and offer remediation in form of online courses that can further prepare them to use modeling, design, optimization, prototyping, and manufacturing tools and develop skills in these areas. Our intervention is built on 4 pillars. Pillar 1 is the S2PAfrica Academy. There, we give online design-related courses to augment what their universities offer, or universities don't offer, or universities don't offer very well. We give them a second chance to offer some of those courses that are related to design. We also keep them busy learning skills during strikes and disruptions, because their future cannot wait until ASU and federal government agree. They are growing and they must continue learning skills. Then we have what is called MASK, which is an immersive learning and evaluation system. I won't go into that. We also have the virtual laboratory, which is the 3rd pillar, and internships. And the 4th and last pillar is the regional design competition and WIDEX, which we are discussing now. There, student teams test their skills against peers, win prizes, and funding opportunities with exposure. That is what we are doing right now. The engineering design competition is a yearly cycle, so you expect another competition to conclude early 2023, just like this one started last year and is concluding now. We have not set the exact dates yet. What it does is to challenge multidisciplinary student teams to each define a consequential problem in their environment, apply theory, modeling, simulation, and optimization, etc., to create the required products, processes, goods, and services, PPGS. Then fully develop 1 or 2 of the required subsystems, fully develop them. Then test their efforts against their peers and gain valuable experience, skills, and connectivity. Now, after the competition, we have a year-round peer-to-peer skills and information sharing in what we call the West African Youth Design Exchange, or WIDEX. Now, how do these teams form? Team leadership is a matter for the teams to decide. But team members are drawn from the penultimate year to NYSC year from students in science, engineering, and business administration. Emphasis is to define consequential problems and profile actionable solutions, and then connect the solutions to scientific theories via modeling, simulations, optimization, prototyping, and manufacturing tools that we introduce and that are available in the area. Depth in understanding and marketable engineering skills in 3D solid modeling, animation, simulation, optimization, software and economics, among others, we guarantee them jobs. These are the glue with which they connect theories to PPGS that will be delivered in the region. This can also help create their life's work and businesses. Talk about entrepreneurship here. Apart from students that take part in the competition, we also have partners, supporters, and volunteers. Our scope for collaboration is not limited in any way, but we just give 2 examples. Experienced diaspora Africans can get connected to student groups through us for mentoring. They can also take part in volunteer roles, like most of our judges are diaspora. Many of our judges are diaspora Nigerians who are successful or retired in America or the Western Europe. So we can also be people who can do content creation, or you can help us actually give us your expertise experience in one of our pillars as you choose. Also, we have corporate bodies or companies operating worldwide or in the region. They can find skilled students for immersion, internship, and challenge them with consequential problems. We expect international companies to come to our site to recruit students. So it is a good thing for you to be mentioned on our site, because that could be your passport to getting a good job. We also expect companies to post problems on our website and state what support they are ready to provide. And we expect product makers to find ways of recruiting well-motivated students in their businesses, because students that are active with us are usually well-motivated and they already have some basics settled for them. Thank you. That is what I will tell you about the regional design competition that we are concluding today.